Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Drive Max Coffee. To begin, measure 1 level scoop of Drive Max Coffee into your favorite mug. Next, pour in about 6 to 8 ounces of hot, but not boiling, water. This temperature helps preserve the delicate flavors. Give it a good stir for about 30 seconds until the powder is fully dissolved, ensuring a smooth and consistent beverage every time. You can easily customize your Drive Max Coffee to suit your taste. For a stronger brew, use slightly less water, perhaps 5 ounces, or add an extra half scoop of coffee. Feel free to mix in your favorite milk, cream, or a non-dairy option like almond or oat milk. A dash of honey, sugar, or a sugar substitute can also enhance the flavor profile to your liking. Drive Max Coffee is designed to provide sustained energy and focus throughout your day. Many users find it most beneficial to enjoy their first cup in the morning, around 7 a.m., to kickstart their day. It's also an excellent pre-workout beverage, about 30 minutes before exercise, to enhance performance. A mid-afternoon serving, perhaps around 2 p.m., can effectively combat that common slump. Proper storage is key to maintaining the quality and potency of your Drive Max Coffee. Always keep the container in a cool, dry place, away from any direct sunlight or heat sources. After each use, make sure the lid is tightly sealed to prevent moisture and air from degrading the product. For the best experience, aim to consume the coffee within 3 months of opening the package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.